Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Luke Clary. Alicia has the night off. And we start tonight with the extreme heat and those triple-digit temperatures. Garjpal Sangha at the sold-out Folsom Rodeo, where organizers are making some adjustments for this heat. But we start with ABC10 Chief Meteorologist Monica Woods showing us just how hot it is.
Well, 100s once again blanketing much of the valley, extending into the foothills. 80s up top for the Sierra, but these temperatures nearly meeting what we saw yesterday. So we haven't seen too much relief through the Central Valley. However, a little closer to the coast, we're down about 5 degrees in Fairfield. A light breeze coming in right now. Not that big push of Delta air and marine air that helps get us out of those 100s. We're still under this ridge of high pressure, sinking, warming air. And so we continue with that heat advisory through tonight over towards the coast. Highs are still in the 90s to right around the low 100s, and it's 100 to about 113 with major heat risk still occurring through much of the Central Valley. Now, you can see temperatures tonight are going to be slow to cool. We're still in the 90s and even the mid to upper 90s for many places at 8 p.m. That sunset not until 8:34. At that point, it will be a slow cooling trend, but too hot to trot. These temperatures with the concrete really absorbing a lot of the heat is just going to be too hot to be out there, especially for little kiddos or the pets. 5-second rule. Put the back of your hand on that concrete. If it's too hot for your hand, it's too hot for little feet to be out there. As far as our morning lows, it will be a little bit cooler tomorrow morning. 60s down low, 70s for the foothills, and 40s up top for the Sierra. But some of those weather headlines still above average into our 4th of July. A light breeze begins, and there is some bigger cooling coming. We'll have more on the timeline of that coming up, Luke.
Thanks, Monica. People really looking forward to some relief. But with the heat sticking around this holiday weekend, cooling centers are open across the Sacramento area. This at the addresses on your screen here. Offices are open to the public tomorrow starting at 8 a.m. with extended weather respite hours from 4 to 8 p.m. Other nearby cities also have places to cool down. Call 211 for more information. A wildfire in Calaveras County is keeping firefighters busy there. This is the Valley Springs area near Hogan Lake. The fire started just before 1 this afternoon and is estimated to have grown to about 80 acres. 3 structures are threatened, and there is an evacuation advisory. And despite the heat, the Folsom Rodeo is underway, the event attracting thousands of people every night during its 3-night run. ABC10's Garjpal Sangha is live in Folsom, where the gates will open soon for day 2. And Garjpal, how is this heat playing a factor?
And Luke, that heat is certainly playing a factor here. I think last check it was around 105, 106 here in Folsom, but it doesn't seem like many people mind it because the 3 days that the Folsom Rodeo is here, it is sold out. So yesterday was day 1, today is day 2. Let's go and show you some of the action that took place yesterday here at the Folsom Rodeo. Now, the event features all of the classic things you expect, from high-flying motocross to bucking broncos to kids mutton busting. Now, yesterday also saw a triple-digit day. Now, some in attendance say despite the heat, they weren't going to miss this.
It's the best event ever. If everyone comes together, I mean, the patriotism's the best. I mean, everyone's just having a great time, besides the bad heat this year. But other than that, I mean, how can you miss it?
And so it is hot. That's a special occasion. Another special occasion that they have here. This is the 60th year they're hosting this rodeo here in Folsom. So everyone excited for that. So again, today is day 2. This is going to wrap up tomorrow, but today's festivities begin here at 6 p.m. Luke.
Thanks, Garjpal. Yeah, sold out shows in triple-digit heat. That's a passionate crowd there. Hope they're playing it safe with plenty of water and shade. That goes for you too, Garjpal.